Maharashtra is all set to hold its single-phase assembly elections on November 20th, 2024. The election is crucial with major political parties like BJP, Congress, Shiv Sena UBT, Shiv Sena, NCP and NCP-SP competing for 288 assembly seats. The votes will be counted on November 23, 2024, 3 days after polling, as announced by the ECI on October 15th. While a growing role of nepotism in politics can be seen, many prominent political families in Maharashtra are fielding their relatives or close kin as candidates, which highlights the increasing dominance of family legacies in the state's politics. Several well-known political figures are preparing to pass on their political influence to their children or relatives, ensuring their family's continued presence in the political scene. Let's take a closer look at some of these families. Amit Thackeray. Amit Thackeray, the son of Maharashtra Navnirman Sena President Raj Thackeray, is all set to make his electoral debut from Mahim Assembly seat in central Mumbai.
और जो सपोर्ट मिल रहा है वो मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन से कहीं बढ़कर है.
Amit's name was in the list of the 45 candidates declared by the MNS ahead of the Maharashtra elections.
माहिम हो या मुंबई हो या महाराष्ट्र हो, कहीं तो डेवलप होना चाहिए, बेटर होना चाहिए और हमारे देश के बाहर के लोग आए और बोले कि महाराष्ट्र जैसा राज्य होना चाहिए.
Vinod Shelar. The brother of BJP leader and two-time MLA Ashish Shelar, Vinod Shelar has been associated with BJP for a long time, but he will be contesting in the assembly elections for the very first time. Aditya Thackeray. Aditya Thackeray is running for the Worli assembly seat for the upcoming Maharashtra polls. He is the grandson of Bala Saheb Thackeray and son of Uddhav Thackeray. He entered politics in the presence of Uddhav Thackeray at the Shivaji Park Dussehra rally and contested his first assembly election in 2019 from Worli that he won.
ये जो लड़ाई है, जो चुनाव है, वो महाराष्ट्र प्रेमी वर्सेस महाराष्ट्र द्रोही, ये लड़ाई है.
Zishan Siddiqui. Zishan Siddiqui is the son of former minister and NCP Ajit Pawar faction leader late Baba Siddiqui. Zishan is a sitting MLA from the Bandra East constituency and recently joined NCP, where he'll contest again.
It doesn't matter who contests against me. I know my father is not with me physically, but he's there with me in my heart. Every morning when I wake up, I talk to him. Every night before sleeping, I try to take his guidance. So he is going to guide me.
Sunil Raut. Sunil Raut is the youngest brother of Shiv Sena UBT leader and Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Raut.
हम डरते नहीं हैं. हम 23 तारीख के बाद हिसाब कर देंगे उनका सबका.
करारा जवाब 23 तारीख को मिलेगा.
Sunil was elected in both the 2015 and 2019 assembly elections. Shrikant Shinde. He is the son of Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. He is an orthopedic surgeon who has also been the elected member of the parliament to the Lok Sabha from the Kalyan constituency since 2014 and was re-elected in 2019 and 2024. Milind Deora. Rajya Sabha MP and Shiv Sena candidate Milind Deora is running for the Worli Assembly seat in the upcoming state elections on November 20th. His father, Murli Deora, was a senior leader of the Indian National Congress. Milind Deora is known for his early entry into politics, becoming one of the youngest members of parliament at the age of 27.
फिर से शिंदे साहब को, देवेंद्र जी को, अजीत दादा को, उनकी सरकार को हमें मंत्रालय तक पहुंचाना है ताकि जल्द से जल्द विकास हो. इनकी जो गति है वो नो स्पीड लिमिट वाली गति है.
Yamini Jadhav. Well, Yamini is the wife of Shiv Sena leader and former chairman of the standing committee, Yashwant Jadhav. He was a former corporator in the BMC, and when his constituency was reserved for women, Yamini Jadhav contested and won in 2012. She also won the assembly elections in 2019.
महिलाएं बहुत खुश है कि एक महिला को ये दक्षिण मुंबई जो प्रेस्टिजियस लोकसभा है उसकी उम्मीदवारी दी गई है और बहुत खुश है, बहुत लगन से चुनाव की तैयारी में लगी है, प्रचार की तैयारी में लगी है.
Sulbha Gaikwad. Sulbha is a BJP's candidate for Kalyan East constituency and the wife of BJP MLA Ganpat Gaikwad, who shot a Shinde Sena leader in February. Dr. Jyoti Gaikwad. She is the daughter of Eknath Gaikwad, who was a former MP from Dharavi. Varsha Gaikwad, who is Jyoti Gaikwad's sister, is a sitting MP from the Mumbai North Central constituency.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.